If Premiere Pro is running slow, lagging, or acting strangely, one of the first things you should try is clearing the media cache. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear media cache files in Premiere Pro using the built-in reset option and the manual preferences method, so you can free up space and help the app run more smoothly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro tips and fixes. Let's start with the easiest method, which is the internal reset. First, close Premiere Pro completely. This is important because the cache clear option only appears when the app is launching. Next, relaunch Premiere Pro, but on Windows, hold down the Alt key as the program opens. If you're using a Mac, hold down the Option key instead. Keep holding that key until the startup prompt appears. When you see the option, check the box that says Clear Media Cache Files and then click Continue. Premiere Pro will remove the cached files automatically as it opens. Now, if you want to do it manually, you can also clear the cache through the Preferences menu. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Media Cache. On Mac, go to Premiere Pro, then Settings, and then Media Cache. Once the Media Cache window opens, look for the Delete button next to Remove Media Cache Files. Click that button, and Premiere Pro will give you a choice of what to remove. Select Delete all media cache files from the system, then click OK to confirm. This method is great if you want more direct control over the cleanup process. After deleting the cache, it's a good idea to verify that everything is actually cleared. You can do this by checking the Media Cache panel again and confirming that the cache file list has been reduced or removed. If you still see old files, repeat the delete process and make sure you confirm the system-wide removal option. You may also notice that Premiere Pro rebuilds cache files over time as you keep editing, and that's completely normal. Clearing media cache files can help with playback issues, sluggish performance, import problems, and random glitches in your project. It does not delete your actual media, so your original video and audio files stay safe. It only removes temporary cache data that Premiere Pro created to help with editing. So if your project is starting to feel heavy or unresponsive, this is a very safe maintenance step to try. And that's how to clear media cache files in Premiere Pro using both the automatic launch reset and the manual preferences method. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Premiere Pro tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.